Advanced training starting soon. Na 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 na. I'm a lost cause. I gotta get TikTok up too. I'm gonna put the advanced training on for them. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, peeps. This is advanced training. Training, today's date, 6/24/24, Monday. I'm going to go over some rule training. Whoa. Why doesn't it say the right thing right there? Fuck. I'm a lost cause. Da, 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 da. No, 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 no. What you guys are watching is a live trade from a playback on TradingView using our signal service. We're going to go over whatever you guys like to go over, but I'm going to go over the rules. We have a little time. It's a long cause. Edge training, 600.com, correct. All right. A little concerned of why it should have came up. I already did that one. What's up, peeps? Let me get a TikTok one. I don't usually do advanced training because they're putz asses on TikTok sometimes. I'm going to go ahead and do it. It's a lost cause. Da, 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 da. It's a lost cause. All right, what do we got going on TikTok? What do we got going? Anyone here for YouTube? Here we go. Let's see. Yeah, there's a few people here. Wow, what do you know? What's up, Jay Parker? What's up, Tank Dog? Not today. Bob Ooten, LF George, Kelly McMahon. What's up, Golden Cindy? John C. What's up, buddy? Ken. Raider Trader, Harris. Your lunch break. Hopefully I get something for you. Excuse me. Boy, I need some water, but I'm dry fasting today. What's up, Cristobal Armas, Eric R., and Jesus? What's up, Tony Plesh? Da, 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 da. All right, everybody. This is advanced training. This isn't for the weak of heart. This is advanced training. Da, 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 da. It's a lost cause. Da, da, da. This is the importance of letting a runner run. And the importance of having your sniper. Buy stop. H3. Third time. There she goes up. There's your money. Da, 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 da. It's a lost cause. Da, 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 da. What's up, Tony? What's up, Anthony Villaboza? What's up, Mr. C? What's up, Builder Las Vegas, Builder Vavis? What's up, Rico and Nora Church? All right. We're on, doesn't matter the dollar amount. What matters is assessed win rate, 100%. Da, 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 da. This is the buy stop called today. Well, it says 621, but it was today. This is the SPX buy stop off the hourly. That was called today. Also, again, by the way, another buy stop for you. This is the one I called this morning. SPX that went up. This is what I wrote out for you guys. Short-term sells. And then my faves, the 4-hour NAS SPX buys. Also the US 30 buy, but it wasn't my favorite. So, and that's your 1 hour. Okay. So how do the signal service calls buys correctly? Doop, 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 and sells correctly. Doop, 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 doop. How does it do it time and time again? Because this is where people get their, look. This is NAS. That was SPX. So look. It calls the first orange on a cell is correct. The first blue is correct. First orange on a cell is correct. Look at it. There's NAS. So how does it do this so accurately as a signal service? Because I paid, I think one time it was $1,500 for a signal service for a couple of months, and I got 0 correct signals. But this signal service follows our rules with the freedom indicator. It combines the machine gun pre-signal with the Hydra 2.0 signals. What's up, JTF6? What's up, buddy? Eurotrades. What's up, Eurotrades? What's up, Richard Graham? Good afternoon, Richard Graham. It's a long, oh yeah, it is, huh? Thank you. Cause for the do. There you go. Thank you, whoever said that. Eurotrades, thank you, sir. What's up from Athens, Greece? That's kind of ironic because our code is from Athens, or our times on our charts are Athens, Greece. That's funny. What we use right here is +3 Athens. There it is. That's funny. And we're out of, roughly speaking, Atlanta, Georgia. Good afternoon, Dad Bod and Hot Rods. Good afternoon, Jan. Thank you again for correcting us on our number of pips this morning. All right. Don't need anybody on TikTok, just YouTube. This is advanced training. I just happen to have YouTube playing. So again, you can clearly see correct signals called, correct signals called. One of our members earlier, I forgot his name, was like, well, why is blah, blah, NAS, blah, blah, sell, blah, blah, blah. Well, I'm pretty sure he's being quiet now because he's trying to do like 30-second trades and apply it to a sell stop that's at a higher time frame. It's the weirdest thing to me how people think. So let's go over the rules and how, because whatever the rules are that this signal service is using is the same rules I teach each and every one of you every day to make money with. The difference is this is computerized, no human emotion, no human error. That's the difference. So how are these things so accurate and you guys struggle at times? Well, let's go over the rules. This is it. All we trade is looking. So all the computer, the algorithm, get the fuck out of here. The code, the computer code is looking for a buy arrow up and a sell arrow down. The code reviews its rules every second of every day. It follows the rules that are on here to draw these lines and make these things switch over here. It does this to send them over here to the Discord room. It does that every second, every split second of every day. It's reviewing the rules. It's called the order of operations. What's up, LT? What's up, George? Builder of Loss again. All right. So if you can follow the rules, you don't need the signal service. So it never sends us an email. Always look things over before you email us anything. The rules for the signal: do not take a trade before any CPI, FOMC, or NFP days. You can, but none of you, well, there's probably a handful of you are good enough to do that. The Freedom Signal is made up of two separate indicators: a machine gun pre-signal and the Hydra. The machine gun pre-signal is just that, a signal that goes out to alert before a ton of Hydra signals, 2.0 signals, are about to fire off, like a machine gun. That's why it's called the machine gun pre-signal. It's telling us a signal before it happens. The Freedom Signal Indicator is a free signal service upgrade from BRIANI. It's already sending out signals to the Discord rooms. If you're not seeing any Discord room signals in Tier 1 or Tier 2, Tier 1 or Tier 2, because you only get 10 and 20 respectively. If you see any, it'll be in Tier 3, because Tier 3 gets unlimited. Okay, these are already given to you. This has been a free upgrade from BRIANI, coded by Keith, and we never charged you 1 penny. Matter of fact, we expanded out Tier 1 signals from 5 to 10. Same cost. Tier 2 was 10. We made it 20. Tier 3 has always been unlimited. Tier 3 will get the Freedom Signal Indicator put on their charts, roughly speaking, July 14th. See this right here? We call out trades to your to the rooms now, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, for the majors and crosses for these, the indices for these, for oil and gold for these, for the cryptos, for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, for stocks, for Amazon and Google. How to set up your charts? I'll show you that now. And then we'll go on. How to use the Freedom Index Indicator, I'll show you that too. Basically, it's the first time is the best time. That is your rule. So let's scoosh out here. This is the first time the H1 signal was called. Pink was high, blue was low. You guys wouldn't even have saw that. Okay? But this is what it is. The very first time was here. You can clearly see it. It captured the peak of the NAS buys to perfection. Look at all the buys. It peaked, then it called the sells to perfection. And yet we had some, I'm not going to say his name, but I do remember it now who it was, mistakenly say, oh, it called the sell and it's been going up the whole time. Lord help me. So the sniper didn't call it. I'm sorry, the bullshit detector didn't call this trade as a sell. The sniper called it as a trade as a sell. And better yet, it actually was called out multiple different ways with some other rules we have. But this was the peak of it. And you can see it went down. Here's the blue coming up. There's the whatever, peach or orange coming down. It peaked right here. Coming up and coming down. Well, how did it know to do that? Because it follows the rules. What rules? Well, here they are again. Okay. How to do it, how to set your alerts, extremely important. It knows, it's coded that when the trade starts above and it comes under, it knows to look for the buys up here, looking for our logo, and it knows to look for it below it when it comes down here. So this rule right here is a freebie to everybody trading. You all should be getting a 50% increase of your losses, or wins, I should say, because not losses, by just following. If it's a buy stop, look to the left on top. If it's a sell, look to the left and under. So you come over to here, left and above, left and under. There it is. It came under, sell, 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 sell. It did catch the top. That's because it's advanced. These rules, these trades will keep getting smarter and smarter and smarter the more we program into it. But I'm telling you now, they're 90 to 95 to 100% accurate, period. If you follow the rule first time in, first time you take your market order, that's what you do. The problem comes in, oh, I took this trade, or I took this trade, or it was this one right here, actually. The silly person there. What's up, Greg? he tried to take this trade. Well, when it's not the first trade, you have to follow the rules for the second trade. Let me write that in here clearly. Let's go over to here. Let's go back. I want to go right here so you guys. Oh. Da, 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 da. It's a lost cause. Da, 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 da. Please note if it's not the first signal, then it's the last. Ricky Bobby. Ricky Bobby. It's not the first signal. Then you must. I already have this in there. The two-step rules. So let me go over that with you. Okay. Just updating the rules as you speak. How's about that? Isn't that wild? Publish. Boop. Now your rules have been changed. Boop. Okay. So let's go to our step 1 and step 2 rules. There's only 2 steps. You would go to your hourly, which is where we're at, and we're looking. If the blue line is low and the pink line is high, there's a sell stop. How about that? Now, ultimately, this is going to turn into a 1 hour, 4 hours, it's going to turn into a 4-hour daily. Whatever this is, it's going to turn into a buy. But for now, this is a sell. We can all see it. If you don't have the sniper, you should get it. But this isn't calling a sell. I understand that. But the system, the signals are smart enough to understand the rules. And the rules state if the blue line is low and the pink line is high, it's a sell. I sucker got sucker and then some buys. That's funny, Brian. Sorry about that, but not too funny, I guess. There you go. Now, this is also the same thing for NAS. It doesn't matter. SPX doesn't matter. These are some sells. Doesn't mean the buy I called was incorrect. It was correct. You made a shit ton of money on that. And look at US 30, the buy we called. See all the buy? See the difference? Look, US 30, all buys. Look, the same time period. Not all buys. Some buys, some sells. That's NAS. US 30, all buys and all correct, I might add. So US 30 did its down the week before. You see the first time right here. First time you take a market order. The rest you have to follow the rules on. Look at it. There's NAS. US 30. NAS. US 30. Is that not the coolest shit? One shows you the buys and the sells, and one shows you nothing but the buys. I don't know how much clearer we can make this. So anyhow, getting back to it. Rules. Step 1, you go to the 1 hour. You check for it. I just showed you what to check for. You check to see if our logo is forming, which it is right here. We can clearly see this. Let me shrink this down. Our buy logo started low, came up high, retested, and so on. That's our up logo. Sure. So now we know when the blue line was high, pink line low once, twice, 3 times. There it is. There they are. Boom, arrows, logos, and of course, the 100% accurate reads from the signal service. You can take the first one that happens. Watch. Maybe we can do this. It's been working pretty good today, actually. I'm kind of hoping we can. So right here. Da, 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 da. A lost cause. Right here. The very first time this turns to green, you'll get a lot of drawdown, but you can take a market order. So you can put in a buy, or you can wait till the first time one of these underneath it pop up. I don't know if they will, though, to be honest with you, because it's such a high time frame. Let's take a look. See, I don't think it's already should have shown. There's that. See, that's just hour 2. See, this is the second time this has happened. So let's go down. I wonder if I can move this down. I'm going to try to pull back and see if we can see these. Here's the hour ones. Let's see if we can grab this again. I'm going to restart this. Let's see what this, okay, there's a 30-second. See, not what we wanted. Damn it. We can take that trade if you wanted. We can take those trades if you want, because it's running off of this hour. Fuck. Let me go back here now that I see that they're showing up. Let's go back here. All right, let's see. We're looking at US 30, following the rules of trading, how we're doing it. There it is. First buy. So when it first turns up, you can do the first time market order when this turns to green. You're going to have a lot of drawdown sometimes, though. Or you wait until one of these 3 turn green, then you do your first one. So this is going to be a minute. Let's play it. Okay, so there's going to be a good bit of drawdown, you can see. Okay. And then we can wait until the very first time, the 30-second, 1 minute, or 3 minute. It's usually going to be the 1 minute-ish. So I'm going to pause it as soon as we see one. And we should be on the 30-second chart, by the way. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Waiting. I know this is a long one because this is off of an hour one. We have to wait for it to turn back up now. What's up, Tuxie? There it is. So now look. Now we have green. Technically, I'm sure the 30-second popped up first right here. So now this technically, when it's the first time the green happened, the first time the 30-second happened, pop, then you do your buy. Now watch it play out. No drawdown. You see the difference? It went straight up. You'd have made a shit ton of money. Another buy. Now you have to follow the rules. So now when these next 2 or 3 popped up, you have to do step 1, step 2 rules. And you follow the hooks and you follow the half moons and all that shit. But watch. Da, 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 da. Waiting again for these to reset. So when the hour turns, you match up a green arrow. Da, 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 da. A green arrow comes here. You wait for one of these green arrows to come up. The first time it does, you take the trade. That's all you do. You don't have to take any others if you want to. If it pops up some more over here, you can go ahead and do rules entry trades. The rule entries are right there where it always says. We'll just sit back here and wait. And there it goes. Da, 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 da. There's another hour. See, now look. Now we have this one right here flipped over. Watch. See it? This is now another hour, which I should have bought, by the way. We can do another one. And then you can follow the rules for the hour trade, right? And then you wait for one of these to turn to green now. Any one of these to turn to green. Once it pops up again over here, I'll go ahead and do another market order. It has to be the first time, H1, and then the first one of these. H2, the first one of these. And I prefer H1 only, but I'll give you a break. And then when we have, I don't know if it'll do anymore, but we'll see. What day is this? Oh, we're getting closer. You can't see one of the guys earlier this morning, I won't mention his name, was trying to take a market order after multiple times it came out with others. You can't do it. You have to wait for one of these to pop to green, or this to turn green and these to turn green again. So technically, we haven't even entered our first trade yet on these. Again, you'll have drawdown if you do the hourly machine gun. You'll have little drawdown or a lot less drawdown if you wait for one of these to pop up. I don't know if it's going to show these though or not. I think it has those earlier ones, but sometimes it doesn't do that. Dun, 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 dun. It'll turn up soon, and then we're going to see some of these more pop up over here. What's up, Mike Mohan? What's up, Mike? She's not giving us any. They're there. They're just not showing the other signals. I don't know why. Dun, 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 dun. It's a lost cause. Da, 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 da. It's a lost cause. Look at that shit. This is why you let a runner run. Always keep one trade open after you take profit and let it run. Da, 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 da. Here's another one. See, we're going to have to go down to a lower time frame to catch these other ones. Da, 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 da. Because they're there, they're just not being called, that's all. "30-second one. I don't know why it randomly picks ones to show. It's so weird to me. Another one. And there it is. And that's it. So again, how are we able to get to those kind of numbers? You go to step one. After your initial trades, the first time you see an hourly, the first time you see an hourly 3-minute, 30-second, or 1 minute, you can take those at market order. But you can't take the second ones at it. You got to go to his 2-step rules. And this is what you do. The very first time it happens is the best. Wait for the logo, and it shows you. And I give you an example. In step 2, as you go to the 4-hour, you just validate what you see. So, for instance, on NAS, because the 1 hour was where it was at, look at all the shit. And all of it correct, by the way. See how it's forming a 4-hour right now, but it's a full-fledged 4-hour, by the way. This has come down. Yeah. Buy stop NAS 4-hour. Buy stop NAS 4-hour, 12-hour. I'm going to drag this one down a little bit more. See this daily right here? We need this daily line to come down. This is much like gold I was calling out for you last week. We need this violet purpley line to come down like this, preferably. Sometimes it does a little hook like that. Yeah, it does that. And that just pisses me off because I can't really call it for you. But if it will come down like this, then start to hook and go over, holy shit. We'll be making a fuck ton more money. Buy stop, NAS. 4 hour, 12 hour, daily, weekly. So this is the problem. NAS on the weekly, it's already done its hook. If you go to US 30, it has not come up yet, and it still hasn't done its first time. That's why US 30 is a huge buy long term. Buy stop, US 30, play any 15-second through daily buy stop till the weekly pink line goes up and touches this blue line. It's going to be a lot of calls too. NAS, almost to the top. Can't say that it'll come down or not, but I hope it does. It did it already. SPX, almost to the top. Already did it already, close to it. Doesn't mean I don't like NAS and SPX buys. It does mean I like US 30 long-term weekly buys better. Okay? Did I put everyone to sleep, or did I help you all make a little sense of this? 7s if you understood what I was talking about. 9s if you didn't. It's a lost cause. You want consistent profits? I understand you. One person, Greg Roberts. Oh, Builder of Loudness. Okay. And that's how you read your charts. And that's why this system is so accurate. And that's why we have a signal service now. I gave up trying to limit it to tier 3. I'm allowing anyone in tier 3. Because it's only right. If you guys want to make money, you can do it. You can do it with the core system. You can do it with the sniper. You really need the sniper, I got to be honest with you. Or you can do the signals. Da, 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 da. It's a lost cause. All right, cool. Builder, Tony, Flight, Greg. Awesome. All right, so now we're looking for this. Let's just go look through a whole bunch. Can't wait for the 14, says Leon. Me too, Leon. Can't wait for you guys to have it. Let's just whip through a whole bunch of weeklies. All right, what are we looking for on the weekly? We're going to be looking right in here. Perhaps I should use a different color. We're going to be looking right in here for any kind of movement, blue line high or low, and pink line high or low opposite. So we want the spread formation. So we're going to go to AUJ. Nope, it's already up. Nothing we can do about it. We're going to USD, already up. Nothing we can do about it. Gold, perfect. Gold, perfect. Let's take a look. This is, you can't see the blue line. We don't have enough history here, but the blue line's high, pink line's low. Gold, weekly buy stop. Do I not have a daily, weekly buy stop on gold? The fuck I don't. Now, where did that go? I didn't delete any horizontal lines. Bullshit. I called gold as a buy, 2306. Bullshit. Now, where did that line go? Damn, gone. Fucking. Nope, I called it. I'm taking credit for this fucking thing. This is a weekly gold. Fuck, I didn't call that shit. Buy stop. What the hell is today's date? This is back a week ago, so I'm going to go and say like 614 or something. I don't know, whatever it was. But the hell, I didn't have a line there. Get out of here. Swear. Whatever. So there we go. Buy on gold, but there'll be tons more gold coming up. You'll be seeing a shit ton of call outs called for gold coming up. You're going to see this pink line rise up again right here. You'll see it go like this, like this. As it's rising up, you're going to see play any. So gold, play any 15-second through daily buy stop until the weekly pink line hits the blue line. That's imaginary, not there, but trust me, it is. Until it does that. Hope I'm clear. Hope that's exactly. Allah. Do. Okay, so that's gold. That's a nice one I called out for you. Let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD has already done it. There's nothing we can do. Let me take this off real quick. You can see the pink and blue have already come back together on the weekly. Now we can do this on daily too, but I'm just showing you weekly. All right, Amazon, beautiful. Play any 15-second through daily buy stop. Amazon. First time is the best. This is the very first time it happened. Look, do you see? Blue line high, pink line low. You can clearly see how high Amazon went up. Yes, I called that live, and there it is. Calling it again. Amazon, play any 15-second through daily buy stop. Amazon. There it is. You also have a fill in the gap. I don't want to get into all that right now, but this is all we're doing. Play any of them. I can flip this on. You'll see a dozen. Google. Nope. Can't call a weekly Google because they're already both up. Can't do it. NVIDIA. Nope. NVIDIA just went up. Can't call NVIDIA on the weekly, maybe the daily. XRP. Nope. XRP blue line is down here for the weekly. That's horrible for XRP, by the way. It better be monthly. Yep, we don't have enough monthly. Fuck. Well, can't call XRP. Bitcoin. Fuck yeah. Bitcoin. Buy stop. Forming. It already happened once. This is the first time it happened right here. You should have did this one back when Bitcoin was down 39,000, but it's forming another buy. Bitcoin. Sorry. You have to let this pink line come down. They'll cross right here, and that'll be your time to get in. But whatever. Eventually, Bitcoin, play any 15-second through daily buy stop on Bitcoin until this pink line hits this purple line up there. Ethereum. Here we go. Oh, Ethereum doesn't have its blue line, but it already did it once right here. This is the first time. It's already done its second time right here. I still say Bitcoin weekly, Ethereum, 15-second through daily buy stop Ethereum till this pink purple line comes all the way to the top. Look for any buys on Ethereum. That should help Larry out. GBP JPY. Cracks me up. Thing never goes down. Nope. This is the first time right here. You can clearly see right here. Second time here. Third time there. Nothing I can call for weekly. I think there was a daily earlier. Udachef. Nothing, because this is going to be weekly sell. This is going to be ERUSD. It is. So this is going to sell and come down. This is the first time it happened. It's not a good trade on this one for weekly. Oil, buy stop. Play any, 4-hour buy stop. There it was. Play any 15-second through daily buy stop till this weekly pink line comes all the way back up to here. Are you guys getting the idea of what I'm doing? Yes or no? And this is how you would trade your weeklies. We can do the same because weekly is a master controller for daily. Your daily is a master controller for your 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, 5 minutes. Your 1 hour is a master controller for 3 minute, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Greg says yes. Nice. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Mr. C. All right. So let's take a look in a book. Reading Rainbow. Now let's look at dailies. We'll look at the same list on dailies, and I'll show you how fucking cool this shit is. Let's take a look. All right, let's go back up. AUD/USD. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. AUD/USD. I play any buy stops you can until this fucking price action hits that blue line or comes close to it. But nonetheless, it's already come up once. It's already come up twice. It's still a very valid play. Any 15-second, 30-second buy stops until the daily comes up and touches that blue line. USD JPY, it's just come up and touched it. Doesn't mean it won't continue to go up. Look, from the first time it did it right here, it continued to go up. You see? I'm just telling you the first time you'll close down a trade. What do I have open? I have 2 US 30s open. Let me go to US 30. I'm going to skip ahead and go to US 30 real quick. Watch. Okay. US 30 daily. Oh, hold on one second. You're right with you. Hold on one second. All right. So this is already done. The blue's up here, but this is US 30 daily, so it's a little different. What you're seeing right here is the blue line's low. So if we go to the weekly, you'll see that the pink line is low. So I would play any 15-second through daily buy stop on US 30 until this pink line comes up past this blue. Speaking of which, and I would hold that trade till then, except for one thing. These are my trades that I opened up this morning. Well, some of them already closed some down. 6:24 is the trade day and time. I did these live with you. I'm going to close one of these down. I'm going to let one run. So I'm going to take my $368 profit, close it down. I'm going to let it run just like I let these two run the other day. This is still just a generic trade. I'm just testing something out on the weekly for AUDUSD. But these ones are live from 6/4, literally 6/4. From what is that, like 3 weeks ago? And this one's live from today. This is US 30 buy that I told you, did the trade, showed you what I did, wrote it out, typed it out, and traded with you live. I just closed one down. Now, why did I close one down? Because I don't want two open. It's US 30. It's a bitch. I'm going to hold the one I'm currently in. Let's be clear. Let me draw this out for you, and I can even show you the fill in the gap, I guess, if you guys are insisting I do that. I'd rather not, but watch. Damn it, I'll show you this way. This right here will eventually come up. When it comes up close to the top or touches it, I will close down that trade I'm currently in. So those of you say, well, why are you holding the trade so long? How can you hold the trade so long? That's the fuck how I'm doing it. This right here, these little things will turn green and come up. When those things turn green and come up, they're going to eventually touch the yellow line. When that gap closes somewhere around there, when this yellow line right here gap closes like this, it goes zoop like that, then I'll sell two. So either one or both, when it happens, I'll close it down. On the weekly, I'll close that down. To see the weekly blue line on gold, use the ICE gold ticker. Oh, nice. So there's a longer one that has it. Yeah, they have to have the memory in there, which is shocking because Orlando can go back to the Orlando goes back to 1948 or something, 1940 something on gold. All right. So does everybody understand how I'm holding the trades this long and why I don't let go of them, even though this NAS and SPX one is kind of annoying because you can clearly see the weekly's near its tip. Well, hold on. And your daily has already come up. This is the problem with the NAS and SPX one right now. This daily, it can hook. Don't get me wrong. It doesn't have to come all the way back to the bottom. But this daily on NAS and SPX, it's probably just going to hook a little hook and come up. But it can hook and come all the way down. That's why you have a much better trade with US 30. Way fucking better trade on this buy with US 30. Way, way, way. It's the first time for the weekly. Even though I've been calling it out multiple times, the system has, it's the first time. Considering I programmed it, I know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't have to listen to the signals. I made the signals. I have to give you the safest signals. That's why you're seeing what you're seeing. Thank you, Uotrade. So those of you who are at, how does he hold the trade? How can he hold the trade 3 weeks and be up 2,000 or 1,000 pips on NAS? How can he do that? How can he? Well, this is how I do that. I either use my daily or my weekly. And if I'm doing an hourly, you can do all this short term. You can go down to the hourly. Fuck yeah, you can. Watch right here. Here's hourly. Let me go down to my little thing right here. Let's flip on this one right here. Oh, shoot. Let's see which one it is. Weekly, daily, hourly. Lower this one. Yeah, here we go. This one right here. And there it is. All we're doing on this one, it's a lot slower. Or should I say a lot faster? Let me be clear on that. Not slower, faster. Look, all we're doing on this one is the hourly. When the hourly starts to come up, you see the signals called for the 30-second and so on. You'll see the buy stop first time. Let me see if this will fire. I don't want to go down to the 30-second. Let's see if we can get this thing to fire off. Maybe we can get a 30-second and a thing here. So lost clause. There we go. This is your buy. You can do a market order, but expect to eat a little bit of money. And then you can also wait, better yet, wait for the green to turn over here. Let me get rid of these. Oh, shit. God dang fuck. Right there. We're going to wait for one of these, and hopefully it's a 30-seconder I saw right there. So we're going to wait until one of these turns green for the first time. Enter again, by the way. Oh, it didn't show it. We're going to have to go down in time frame. I'm not doing that shit. Never mind. It's fine. It just didn't show the 30-seconder. I don't want it to. But this is your trade. So watch. This right here, pink line low on the 1 hour, blue line high. This is the first hour. You see it? Hour 1. And then it does it again right here. Hour 2. Then it does it again right here. Hour 3. You see it? Obviously, the first time is always the best. The first time when you see the hourly and then the 30-second, they both turn green, pop, pop. You can make a market direct order. You can't do that if it's not that. I think I'm losing everybody to sleep here. All right. Way longer for my advanced training. I never go this long. I always limit it to about 20, 30 minutes. All right. Questions. Opening up to questions. Ask away. Preferably something I just went over, but if not, that's fine. You can, if you don't see your question posted, you can go ahead and email me the questions. Feel free. Lost clause. Oh boy. Awesome as usual, says Bob. Thank you, Bob. Questions, though. What I don't want to have happen is another Sam 0287, whatever it was, where he's so pissed and so hurt and he's saying the system doesn't work. Obviously, he didn't study it long enough. He didn't get the signal service. I don't know what he didn't do. But the reality is he didn't commit himself to learning the system. Obviously now, there can be no one doubting the system because these signals are auto-generated, and the first time you see them, the H1, so your hourly one and the 30-second will always win. It doesn't matter the symbol. It doesn't matter if we do this on hourly, daily, or weekly. There's master controllers. This is your, and let's be clear on this, where is the machine gun at? This is your fucking machine gun. That's the master. This is your pre-signal. The Hydra 2.0 signals are the things below it. When these turn green, ... these things. The H1 is your master signal. This is the separate signal. Master signal, secondary signal. Master signal, secondary signal. And there you go. Over and over again. Doesn't matter what we're doing, whether it's gold, US 30, NAS, XRP, they all work Doesn't matter if it's working on silver, McDonald's, doesn't matter. It works on every symbol you can put. And you see this setup. The first time is the best. I know the daily is restricted by the weekly. Is the hour restricted by the daily? Restricted. The hourly is its own entity to call its trades. What you're asking is, I believe, so we're understanding each other, is does the hourly miscall? The hourly will read, but you need to have your daily open too. So let me show you what that looks like. On all my charts, whenever I'm trading, I have these three little things over here. This is the weekly chart I have, boop. And I always look at that first. It's kind of like your top-down analysis. Then I have my daily chart open, boop. I look at that. And then I go to my hourly. So to answer your question, the hourly can never call a bad trade as long as you're looking at the daily and the weekly. It cannot call a bad trade. It will not call a bad trade. It's impossible for it to call a bad trade. But if you're not looking at it that way, because for instance, just go today. Let's just go with today. Let's go over to, what was somebody was having problems. Was that NAS? Yeah. NAS. Today, when you look at something, you can go over here and you can clearly see these are cells, right? But this is also, if you clearly look at it, your blue line low right here, pink line high, that's a cell. But then if you go up, let's see, 2 hour, yep, sell. 3 hour, yep, sell. 4 hour, yep, sell. 7 hour, 7 hour sure looks like it's forming a buy. First time, second time, this is the third time. So now we're looking at a 7 hour. Oh, that looks really good. 12 hour. See, so look, you can have, this is exactly what I want to show you, it's perfect. You can have, and should have, and will, you have to have, a 1 minute sell stop inside of forming a 12-hour buy, because that's how it's formed. This purple line going down is this 1 minute sell. And that's how it works. See, so you come over here, you see, oh, sell, 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 sell. This isn't set up on the right one. This is not set up. So if I'm looking at the 12-hour, I don't have the 1 hour open. Does that make sense? You can't have the 1 hour open when you're looking at a 12-hour. I hope that makes sense. Okay. I just need to work on my entries, taking profit. Just sometimes want to have long trades like you. So the sniper is going to be better to see the play. Yes, the sniper is going to help out Brian a shit ton. Yes, it will. I can't believe no one's acting up on TikTok. Ooh, good for you guys. All right. So this separation happening now, we wouldn't open up these. We would close this down, and I would open up what you're supposed to be on, which would be here. And we would wait to see if it's going to see this as a weekly, daily. Weekly, daily buy, weekly, daily. It doesn't, this isn't even updated code. This should be showing this DTS right here, right here, and right here, and right here. So, boop, 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 boop. So it's pulling back to form another buy stop. You're inside of a weekly. We're going to wait for a daily to show, or whatever, 12-hour to show, not likely. 7-hour to show, not likely. It's going to be a 4-hour. This is a 4-hour. Still not done yet. 4-hour weekly buy. But see, this daily concerns me. It's not in the right position. You can't. I wouldn't take this buy on NAS, even though I'm in it, because I have it long term. I've called it for you. I've drawn out where I'd go in. It's just not as good as the US 30. That's all I can tell you. This US 30 is picture perfect weekly, daily buy. It's just a different animal. I mean, I know it's the same. Oh, they go up, they go up. Yeah, but see how the system called it? See how the system called the signal service right here called it? It called the weekly 2 buy stop right here. It called it perfectly. Look at it. Follow the rules, because you can't do an open order right here, a market order, market execution. You have to do the loop. It comes around, comes over, and comes off. That is perfection. See, the first time. It doesn't call it here on NAS because it called it back here on a weekly 1D1, weekly 2D1. It's not the same. It's just different. I don't know how to word it to you. This is all the way up on NAS, nearly all the way up on SPX, and it hasn't even started to come up on US 30. It's just crazy how good that US 30 is. We should all be feasting off that over the next several weeks, I'm hoping. And if it switches and goes to a sell, the system will know it. Trust me. All right. Trying to make the system simple to you, the sniper simple to you, because listen, let's listen. You guys say like I'm stubborn and I'm rough and I'm mean. Look what I do for you guys. This is the system, right? Right here. Let me take all this away. This is the plain system right here. If you see a buy stop right here, you take it. You guys had trouble with entries. So I said, okay, I'll make you guys a sniper that will help you with your entries. Oh, well, I still had trouble getting the entries with my sniper. I said, okay, well, I'll make a signal service for you guys so that you can see when to get in and out of the trades easier, when it's a sell and when it's a buy. And that's what I did. So now you guys have signals of how I read the charts with near 100% accuracy. You can trade without the signals. You can trade without the sniper. You don't need either. I made them to be helpful to you guys so you can see your trades better. That's all. You don't need it. Just trying to get you guys helpful so you can see trades and make money. That's all I'm doing. That's what made start watching every day. It's not being me. Oh, thanks, Brian. Because I know a lot of you are like, oh, he's rough and he's tough and he tells people the way it is and it's truthful. Yeah, and I'm trying to get you guys to unlearn all that stupid shit you thought you knew about trading and relearn the correct way of trading, which is the safety trade. There it is. You don't need the sniper. It's just there if you have troubles. Oh, but you charge for it. Well, the fuck? It took me over 6 months to develop the sniper. Well over, that's like 8 months. It took us over 6 months to get the freedom indicator made. And the freedom indicator we're giving to you guys for free as an upgrade. You didn't pay for it. You paid for signals. I gave you signals that were 65 and 0. Now you guys got signals that are like 100 and 0. They don't miss. Bree and I, if you're in tier 1, you doubled your signals from 5 to 10, and you doubled how many, the accuracy, well, way past doubled your accuracy to the freedom signal. If you're in tier 2 paying for that, you went from 10 signals to 20, free. And if you're in tier 3, you're unlimited, and you're going to get this cool ass motherfucking thing, the freedom indicator, put on your charts July 14th, hopefully. It's incredible. So whatever. If you guys don't want to pay for the signals, don't get them. If you don't want to pay for the sniper, don't get them. The system works by itself. I'm just trying to help you guys see the entrances better, because evidently it's hard for a lot of you. And I'm just trying to help you all out. Oh, but you charge for it. Fuck. You know how long it took me figuring out the order of operations to get to Keith for him to code it? That was another 6 months, by the way. And don't forget, we have the Holy Grail trade coming. Okay? Everybody, any questions on TikTok or YouTube, ask now. I don't want you turning into another disgruntled Sam. I have hundreds of you, with thousands of you, with positive messages, everybody happy, everybody thrilled. But there's a few putz asses that don't speak up and don't learn what to do and complain. If you just go into here, look at this. Look at Anthony Villalobos. Congratulations. Standing O again, Anthony. Yay. Second payout of $3,000. Boom, baby. Boom. Look at that shit. Look at that. Here's another one. Kick. How much the fuck? I know he makes a shit ton when he trades. $6,810. That's Tommy. Look at this shit. Yeah, no, they know how to trade. You get the system, you get the sniper, you get the signals if you need it. There's your money. There's your money. Look at it. $3,100. Over and over and over again. Here's another one. Pastor Pitbull passed his, how many people are funded account traders is insane to me in my system. Over and over again. Hundreds. Big D. Kevin, you are the man. Thank you for Safe Trades. You're welcome, Big D. Thank you for posting up your wins. $8,900 fucking dollars. What? Oh, congratulations, Big D. DZ Zoltan kicking ass. Big D again kicking ass. I mean, hundreds and thousands. Shane, $2,000, $2,000, $2,000. Profit, profit, profit. Over and over again. BXGL, thousands. And these are, what's up, Larry Cooper? Hundreds and hundreds of, I bet you thousands of testimonials over the last year and a half, 2 years. Here it again. This is a different payout for Anthony. Congratulations again, Anthony. $3,000. FX Wolf. Here's some trades for him, a couple $1,000. After another. Breathe Forex. Where's he been? Fantastic job trading. This is several $100s. Here's a little video. Look at them all. Over and over and over again. There it is. If you want consistent profits, I understand that, and that's what this system is made for. And on top, you're live every day. Yes, Jan. Yes, I am, Jan. Thank you. It's okay, Larry. It's just a recap of how to do the rules for the trading system. Look at this one. Look how many fucking wins he had. Incredible, Breathe Forex. Look at this one. FX Wolf. $1,815. Hundreds of testimonials. Hundreds of all different people. All different times. There's Steve over there. Again and again and again. Oh boy, someone posted in here. They shouldn't have done that. There's Leon posting up some. Holy shit! Oh, these are Apex. These are funded trade. Awesome! Congratulations. I won't even yell at him though. He did it while I'm talking. There it is. Look at this shit. Just happened live in front of your eyes. So if anybody that has the system, or anybody that's thinking about get the system, just buy it and then follow the rules. That's been the whole theory. Everything I talked about for this advanced trading is follow the rules, and you too can call out trades like the signal service. That's all it is. Follow the rules, and you'll be able to call these out. I will take this trade right here that you see right here. Every one of you should do this. Over any. When you see this set up right here and this W1 pops up, hopefully a W1D1, but whatever. This trade right here, when you see this exact setup like this, same green, all green, this exact setup, will beat any trader in the world. I'm not being cocky. I'm not being angry. I'm not being whatever. I'm being truthful. Any trader that would like to come in and trade against me, I will not trade you myself. I'm not going to be mean, but I'm not doing that. I will place my signal service against you. This weekly, daily signal right here will win every time and make more pips and be more correct. Here it is again. It didn't call it right here. This is the first time it called it right here. It'll win every time. Netflix. Okay. I don't care if it's HK50. Every time I see it, it will defeat any other trader, period. And I don't care who they are and how good they are and how godlike they. Good luck. So I'm not even going to give you the benefit. Sells too. For first one called out right here. Leave this one, even though I don't like that one. This is the trade I would take right there. Why? Because pink line high, blue line low, and it stayed low. As soon as it started to hook up, I'd call the trade off. And there it is. Boop, boop. And I can do this on daily, and it doesn't matter. It's as simple as that. I don't know how else to explain it to you. So if any traders out there want to come on the live, sure, let's have a friendly little duel and see how it happens. I have no problem with it. All right. I wonder what's in a wonder ball. All right, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Have a good day, buddy. All right, TikTok, I'm going to. See ya. YouTubers, have fun. TikTok, have fun. God bless y'all. See you guys. Doopa doopa dee. Doopa doopa doopy doopa die. Doopa 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 dee. See you guys. God bless.